This is Vishnu on behalf of Query Resolvers. So here what I have is a ZigBee module with its mounting kit. Now today we are going to see the programming of ZigBee module with the help of the programming software. Now I am going to say the system requirements and hardware requirements. So here I have the system and hardware requirements. We need a XBee module which is to be mounted on a mounting kit, which is going to be connected to your PC through a USB cable. And obviously for programming the XBee modules you need two softwares. Either you can have XCTU or X-CTU, both are from same vendors. After that you will be needing a simple ZigBee module just for your reference. Now let's get started with the help of the user manual. Here I have the user manual. So basically I am going to say the network configuration first. ZigBee has three device types. One is coordinator, router and end device. Your coordinator is nothing but the module which is going to initiate the network with the help of the PAN ID which you give. The PAN ID means nothing but it's a personal area network ID which will be the reference for other modules. The next one is routers. Routers are just for connecting the end devices with your coordinators. So if you have three routers and you have three end devices, if a router fails in a case, then the three end devices can communicate through other two routers. So this will ensure the data flow to coordinator. Next you have the end devices. End devices are the last device type. So end devices are going to collect the data from your sensors or from your digital ports and it's going to feed to your coordinator. So this is the network type. As I said, this is an overall block diagram for the network. So we have a central coordinator which is going to generate the PAN ID. After that we have many routers which are connected to end devices. We can directly connect end devices to coordinator, but if you have many end devices, it is recommended to connect to a router and after that you connect it to a coordinator so that the data flow will be ensured. So this is the basic network type. And now let's get into the software part. So as I said previously, we are having two softwares programming, that's XCTU and X-CTU. Both are from same vendors, that's Digi International. So first I am going to get you cleared with X-CTU. So this is the software which I have downloaded from the DigiLogic and I have it as a free version. It's completely free of cost. So now I am going to open the software. So before I open the software, I am going to show how to connect your module with computer. So this is the ZigBee module and this is your mounting kit. So now I am going to place my ZigBee over my module and now it's ready. After that what I need to do is I have to take a data cable like this and I have to connect this. So now it's being interfaced and it's ready for programming. Now I have interfaced this in COM port 5. Now I am going to open the same COM port in my computer. Yeah, this is the port. Let me test it. Now I got the serial number, which means that my modem got connected with the computer. So this is how first we have to interface. So this is your first screen. In the first screen you will be provided with your COM ports to which the devices are being connected. You have to click the COM port and you can go for terminal mode. Terminal mode is nothing but the serial mode where you are going to transfer the data, and you are having the modem configuration. In modem configuration you will be configuring that as coordinator or router or as an end device. Now let me read current function set. So now it's being acting as a coordinator. This is what I require, but let me do the firmware update for your reference. Now what I am going to do is I have selected the function set I need. Let me consider this as coordinator AT. After that I am selecting the firmware version and what I am going to do is write it. So now I am configuring my modem in the coordinator AT mode with the firmware version of 2080C. So now my firmware updation is being completed. Now let me read this, and finally, yeah, I have a coordinator. Now I have to give three important configurations which I have specified in our kit. So this is the three important things. So first the thing is you have to connect the first you have to detect the device and you have to configure whether you are programming in AT mode or in API mode. The difference between AT mode and API mode is nothing but AT is like a command mode and API mode is completely an application programming interface. which means that we can configure to which device you have to configure. But in this mode, it is possible to communicate with a single device or just broadcasting. But here you can generate many frames and you can send more data. So this is what the difference between AT mode and API mode. Don't get confused. I will clarify you in the upcoming video. So thank you for watching the video. Good luck.